Hi, welcome to Sonoma Parenting 101. Today we will talk about zoology in the primary Montessori classroom. First of all, let me tell you what in this zoology packet is included. Every packet has a page of the evolution of vertebrates, and it starts with fish, amphibian, reptiles, birds, and then mammals. With mammals, we differentiate of mammals that have hoofs and mammals who don't. Here's a page, a sample page for the frog that can be part of the artwork, or it can be part of a booklet. In previous films, we have talked about the three-part cards where you make a name card. It has the picture and the word. A mute card, only the picture and labels. And from that, then the children establish a booklet. Now, here's an example of a cover page of the reptile, in this case, the turtle. And with a cover page, we color all parts. In this case, you can see the carapace, the plastron, limbs, head, tail, and so forth. Now, every package has a lot of vocabulary, and when you think about it, words make up sentences, what we speak. It is our language. And through language, we study, we learn, we do research. And in zoology, the vocabulary is so rich that it gives children confidence in learning about different types of animals, their habitats. Do they live on land, in the air, in water? Maybe like the tadpole and the frog, maybe they start out in the water and then they move on to land. Or the reptiles, many reptiles live in the water, but they come out to bask in the sun. So this confidence about knowing about my environment, about other living things in my environment, and to be able to speak it, read it, write it, label it, to recognize similarities. Many animals, fish or birds or amphibians, reptiles, mammals, they have a head, they have eyes, they have ears. But then there are differences. Fish have fins, mammals don't, birds don't. Birds have wings. Some fish, flying fish, but reptiles don't, amphibian don't. Which animal has a tail? So to study one category at a time, but then know all the similarities and differences, makes the environment and the animals really known to the children. And it's just a great boost of knowledge and confidence in knowing where we live. Another example is, for example, with land, air, and water. We introduce it here with the animals, but then it can be taken into transportation. Who flies in the air? What type of vehicles move through the water? What is strictly for land? So we have all these different parts and these different categories, but over time and with repetition, they connect and they bring knowledge about the world all around me in really great detail. Now with zoology, when we think fish, amphibian, reptiles, birds, mammals, we, people, human beings, are mammals. So for the children, then that becomes very meaningful. It really rings home. Oh, I'm one of the animals. mammals give birth to live babies. Oh, I just had a sister, or I have an older brother. Moms are breastfeeding. Mammals feed their babies milk. So it becomes very personal, and it connects them to the world all around them. And truly not just zoology, but botany too. It's easy to see. And children love to belong, to be in place, to find their place where they belong, in their home, in their community, in school, and on this earth, in this world. It's very similar when we talk about geography in another video. There too, we have all these differences on different continents, but fundamentally, we are all connected, and we are truly all unity. I'd like to finish with a suggestion. You can easily set up an activity that is simply differentiating, is this item living or is it not living? For example, a hairbrush. So the question is, does the hairbrush eat? No, and this is really fun for children. Does the hairbrush have breakfast? No. So it becomes very clear the hairbrush is not alive. Living is when the creature eats, when it breathes, and when it moves. So then you can take any kind of animal. Does it eat? Yes. They have a mouth, they eat. Does it breathe? Yes. Does it move? Yes. They walk, they trot, they gallop, they jump. Yes, it is alive. The same can be taken into botany, and it gets very interesting there that after harvest, or whether it's an annual or perennial, at some point then that plant is not alive anymore. And there are so many ways to connect that then into Christmas trees. Well, if we get a tree with roots, then it's still alive, for example. So the zoology for this packet covers the fish, the amphibian, the reptiles, birds and mammals. And following will be a packet with farm animals, with pets, with the butterfly, and with, what was first, the egg or the hen? I hope you enjoy it and you have fun with your children introducing these materials either at home or at school. I wish you good luck, and let me know if you have any questions. If you enjoy these videos, please click subscribe and also share them with your family members and friends. Thank you.